Hello and welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you how to run the Augmented Dickey-Fuller test in R as well as Philips-Perron and KPSS. So to run the unit roof test in R in rural, you need to have installed in the package T-series. So there is T-series is not yet installed in package in your R. You just need to go in package section, click on install. And when you click on install, just tap here T-series here, click on T-series and then click on install, and your T-series package will be installed in your R software. So I'm not clicking install because T-series is already installed in my R, and you just click on OK. You will just need to charge your package in R by clicking here to add the library so that your time series analysis and computation finance can be run in R as well as ADF or PP or KPSS. So to run, for example, the ADF test, which stands for Augmented Dickey-Fuller test in R, you just need to type the command adf.test and type the name of your variable. I have, for example, in my database, a variable called x1. I will just type x1 and then click on OK. And you can see that R is telling me that my variable is not found because my X variable is in capital X. So I type it in non-capital X. We see that the result of our Augmented Dickey-Fuller test is highlighted here. We have the Augmented Dickey-Fuller statistics, which is negative 103.63. We have the log order of 3. We have the p-value, which is the most important value to assess the unit roof test in R. The p-value is 0.01, which is less than 5%, meaning that we reject no hypothesis. Our series have unit roof mean series is non-stationary, so we reject the non-stationarity of our series, meaning that our series x1 is stationary. If our variable were not stationary, we could have run the command ADF test but put in our variable x the prefix different, tell it that running the first different test on our variable x1. So make sure that your variable is not stationary before running this command. So click on OK. Can see that our variable remains stationary. Make sure to have a non-stationary variable because before running the test in first difference. So you can also use the similar command for Philips-Perron test by just typing pp.test, the name of the variable, then click on OK. Same thing for the KPSS dot test bracket and then a name of variable. Then click on OK and you have the result of the unit roof test. So that's it for this tutorial in the unit roof test in R, and I hope it have been really helpful for you. And if you have not subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, do not hesitate to do so by click on the red button and then activate the notification bell in order not to lose my next publication. And let me like, it will be a pleasure to know that all before we are making you improve skills in statistical model for social sciences.